What is this left for the quarter filter that we have here? Okay. We know in our list here, if I select a specific quarter and I want to select a specific activity, let's say deploying some camera trap here. If I'm looking at this specific one here, deploy camera traps at this one, sorry, deploy camera trap to record peaks behavior. I know that for this quarter, frequency is 2. That means I said I will try to do twice this activity. Because I've got one that is active in the calendar, 2 minus 1, there is 1 left for this quarter. That's where this number comes from. If I'm going to schedule another of this activity, active will be 1, schedule will be 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2, frequency is 2, therefore I'm done, and this line will be gone. Let's have a look in the calendar what is happening. In the calendar, I can see that I've got my active activity here. That's why we have number 1 in active, and I don't have any other activity present in my calendar. As we can see here, schedule is 0, complete, cancel, they're all 0. This is why we have 2 minus 1 is 0, less for quarter. And in this filter here, I only want to see the values that are more than 0. But I can also see the values that are less than 0, and we will look into that later on. So let's now simply schedule another of this activity. So therefore, we expect to see schedule go to 1, and this number go to 0, and this full line will disappear because we're looking at this quarter. And of course, the idea is for us to have this full list down to 0. So I'm going to simply schedule an activity, the same one for the next day. So I'm going to deploy peaks behavior, and I will do the bare minimum here. Maybe it's going to be for Thursday. We will start at 7 a.m., finish on the same day, which is 4th, and I think it's only a half a day activity, so we're going to go all the way to lunchtime. That's all I need. Now I can simply save this. And if I'm looking at my calendar, I can see it's there. So we have 1 that is active, 1 that is scheduled. What does that mean for our planner? So in the planner, if I can move that around. Okay, how do I do this? Here in the planner. Oh, you're annoying. Here in the planner, instead of having 3 items, I now have 2. Because remember, the number is now 1 active, 1 schedule. I need to do that twice. The frequency is 2. 2 minus 1 is 0, and this is gone. But if I want to see this activity, I just have to change the filter here, left of the quarter less than 0. And then I can see my activity. It's on purpose that we have this filter more than 0 because we only want to see what is left for us to do. But if you're thinking, oh, I want to do more of this and I need to find it, I can go and change this filter to less than 0. And here for confirmation, we need to do 2 of them. We have 1 that is scheduled, the one we just created, and 1 that is active. And I can go and keep on creating more if I need to. If I know I need to do more, and don't have the time to update the data in Mirati, we will talk about this in another video, you can create another one. So I'm going to schedule another activity. This schedule will come to 2, and this number will go to -1. So this is what it is. If you think you've lost your activity, you haven't lost them. It's just simply that they're not visible in your quarter because you already achieved what you said you will do. It is as simple as that for the less for the quarter filtering.